Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I'm going to capture the scene of evening in Canada. You will also see the beautiful scenes over here. I just came out for an evening walk. You can also see the silence. See, in the sense that there will be no person who is coming out of his premises, and you will also see that there is no noise around. A very beautiful place of serenity and peace. So I'm going to make this video just to make you people aware that how evening arrives in Canada. A great serenity all around. It's pleasant to walk here. Fresh breathe. This is the track where I'm going to walk. It has been cleaned today.